What is Vermont without maple syrup? Welcome to Vermont. We are here at Cabot Farmers Market. It's really cool. They have a whole cheese tasting over here. And then there's tons of different dressings and pairings, so you can do like a whole cheese board right in the store. It's really cool. So I'm going to take you around and we're going to explore. It's habanero, and I figured it'd be good for my spicy chili dip. Too spicy yet, but it's building. This is my favorite one.
I tried that too.
So good. I love it because it tastes like bread. This is the one. He's so cute. So I'm gonna take him home. After tasting all of them, we have to get this one because it's literally my favorite. We're also gonna get a New York vintage. Super duper good. Alright, so I love Ben & Jerry's. They're probably the most woke ice cream company I know. Also, their factory's in the middle of like the most beautiful, picturesque area I've ever seen. I like to spoon too, guys.
And 3, change the world with ice cream as innovatively as possible.
So we're in line, and now I'm gonna get ice cream because it's my birthday. I love ice cream. This is really good. So I got Justice Remix, and this is a chocolate base with spicy chocolate brownies and then cinnamon. So it almost tastes like a spicy hot cocoa. And then underneath, I have maple walnut, which is a limited edition flavor here. It's so good. So now we're at Dobrá Tea, and I'll tell you a little story about this place. It is actually a tea room that began in Prague during the last few years of communism, and during that time teas were only exclusively available to the party state and military elite. So there was the Velvet Revolution and the fall of communism in 1989, and then in 1992 the Society of Tea Devotees ended up forming and following a bohemian-style tea room, which is called Dobrá Nova, and that was open and it became a shelter for like-minded individuals to gather and enjoy and sample different teas. So it, of course, became very successful, and over time it began popping up in small towns through the Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, and in 2003 Dobrá Tea opened their first tea room in Burlington, and then another one in Wisconsin. So it's really, really cool, and it's such a cool concept because they have different teas from all over the world. You can sample different types, and it's really nice to carry that tradition through America. So today I'm drinking 2 different types of green tea, and this is the first one. And I obviously can't tip this over because my tea will spill. And we're not here to spill tea. So, first one is very earthy and has a floral aroma. It's a lighter tea and it reminds me of like earthy green tea. And then I got it paired with something a little bit more robust. This one is from Korea and it has an oceanic kind of taste. So it reminds me almost of like seaweed or like a miso. My mom ended up getting a jasmine pearl tea and it smells so good. My dad had a Punjabi masala tea. It had flavors of elaichi or cardamom, which I love. It's like my favorite spice ever. It's really, really delicious. And I would highly recommend coming here and trying a couple of different teas. Bring people with you so you can drink more. We're gonna walk around and then we're gonna get dinner. I expect nothing less from Ben & Jerry's. This is pretty cool. We have roasted sesame, butternut squash seed, traditional balsamic, a Tuscan herb, white truffle oil and rosemary garlic, mango coconut, which I've never ever seen in my life, and habanero. Okay, so we're gonna try this because I've never seen a mango coconut oil before. Oh, oh, that's spicy. Oh my god, this would be so good with shrimp. I'm so full. That was such a good dinner. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. Of course I was defeated, so I have a little bit for a snack for later. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to your girl if you haven't already, and comment down below what your favorite part of day 2 was. I hope you're having a beautiful holiday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!